Guys, I'm at the park in downtown Greensboro, and it's nobody out here. Like, nobody. Look around. There is nobody out here. They even put caution tape on the playground, so I guess nobody's allowed to be, in on the playground. Something just went past my ear on the right side, and I think it was a bug. I hope it was, and I hope it was no other type of signal. Where I could sleep on a not sleep. Good God, I could chill down on a bench, but I need to get some exercise and I need to start walking. I've been sitting in my car for about 4 or 5 days now since I've been homeless, and I'm still pretty much dealing with the trauma that my racist coordinator put me through. So I'm still going to continue to talk about it, and I'm not going to be ashamed because I know it's going to help someone realize. Well, they should realize, especially the media is exposing everything now. So I'm not really, too worried about it. They got theirs or what they deserve. But I'm just out here walking. I'm gonna show you what I have on. Hopefully, if I can align my phone straight. I got on the daisy. So you like the shorts? It's hot enough out here. I can't get the phone to straighten up. I need to put it on something. But you see what I have on. Um, whew. It feels so good to get some fresh air. Look at my feet. Cool, look at that. It's so peaceful and quiet out here. The fresh air. Oh my God, the fresh air. I really need the fresh air. I was getting claustrophobic inside of the car, just sitting in there. It's an older model car, so it still needs a little bit of cleaning and stuff like that in there. But take a look at the park. Enough at looking at me and listening to. Well, you can still listen to me talk, but just take a look at the park. It just looks so beautiful, man. I love the beautiful park. It's a nice bench over there. I like how that separates itself. It's like a path. You can go this way or you can go that way. Oh, let me read what this is. Let me read about this. The Genesis Monument of the city of Greensboro. Oh. It does have something to do with the park. Oh boy, my shoes are untied. I hate when that happens. 28 years old, and that's what happens. Shoes still get untied. Thank you, Steven. Not Steven, but Stevie, for cash apping me something for my birthday. I really appreciate you. Um, you're so awesome that I really appreciate that. Someone else, his name is Kent Curtis on my Facebook page. He's an artist, and he gave me a um oh yeah, he gave me some birthday money yesterday. He told me to get something to eat with the money, and I actually went and got some gas because I had some food. So, buddy, how you doing? Got some money with the food. I couldn't do it. I had to get some gas for my car, so I just put it in there. Actually, I did get something to eat, but I didn't pay for it. I bought something to drink instead, like a vitamin water. Now look at this right here. Look how beautiful this whole entire park is. Look at that. You see? Look how beautiful everything is. I wish the park was like this on the other side of High Point, but it's not. This is huge. So let me tell you, remember I was telling y'all that Facebook restricted me for 30 days? Really, they restricted me for 7 days. So, but it felt like 30, so they go ahead. But at first they was gonna choose 30 for me. And then they decided to give me 7 because they realized that I did take my comment down. You know, they told me that I wasn't allowed to put the comment that I wrote on there. I'm not gonna say what the comment is, you know, but if you ask me in the comments, I'll tell you. It has something to deal with police brutality and stuff like that. I think they said we're allowed to park for 2 hours, and I'm gonna park for 2 hours. I might not even be here for a whole 2 hours. I just wanted to get out and walk a little bit. It's really quiet out here. This is North Elm. Can you see it? It's North Elm. And North Park Drive. So this unemployment is coming in, and the stimulus check is coming in, and I'm gonna use both of them checks to get me a place, because my coordinator put me through hell and made me experience some things that I should not have experienced when I was doing the right thing. It is because of him why I am experiencing homelessness. It is because of him, not because of me. He was seeing me go up and up and up, and he didn't like that, because I was not going to tolerate him, you know, overlooking me and my talent because of a skin color thing. Look at these pretty flowers. Those are pretty. There's one on this side too. I love, what I really like about the park is these stairs. The trees, really. I love the trees. Hey guys, I'm glad there ain't no snakes out here. I can't even do a video out here. I might, I'm trying to find a place for me to put this phone so that I can do something. Oh, here's a spot for me to put the phone. So, if you could hear me, I am about to leave. I'm not sure if I'm going to stay here, but I just wanted to get some exercise, and I'll see you guys later. And justice for Breonna Taylor, please, justice for Breonna Taylor. Bye bye. Share it on your page.